Early morning, a beautiful day and the first of our Vendemmia 2011, a memorable year for the impeccable quality of the grapes our vineyard produced. Collaborators and friends are here, and we are all in the vineyard for the moment, picking grapes. A pre-selection was already done a few days ago. These here are perfect grape bunches. Here the grapes arrive from the fields and they are weighed before starting the processing. The grape bunches first go through the destemming drum, where the fruit is separated from the stems, which are discarded. The grapes then drop on the final selection table, where we pick out eventual rests of stems, as well as any faulty fruit. This is a lot of work, so we introduce also some fun into it.
Una uva sanissima in questo anno. Solo 2 donne possono scegliere tutto. C'è la Carmen alla dritta e la Ilaria alla sinistra. Carmen, fai un commentario.
È bellissimo. Questa è la gloria di Parigi.
Only the best grapes arrive to the end of the belt. From there, they are pumped into one of the fermentation tanks every 2 to 3 minutes. We will see this from the inside of the vessel.
You can see very well the cooling points. Also the fork on top is the dry ice we use to retard fermentation for several days. This is called cold maceration.
Here is Vasily, our cantiniere, placing the ice in one of the tanks. We ferment our wines in oak vessels. This is actually today the preferred method for prime wines. The porosity of the wood allows us to preserve the natural yeasts and bring out better the specific aromas and tastes of our terroir. During the fermentation time, we do the so-called follatura, that is, the punching down of the cap that forms during fermentation on top, 4 times a day. This is done to keep the skins of the grapes moist at all times for continued extraction of color and aromas. Once the fermentation is finished, the wine gets gravity drained through a strainer to the barriques located on the level below. This is a gentle way to transfer the wine to its next stage of processing, which is the barriques, and where it will stay for up to 2 years for aroma and tannin refinement.
Well, cheers. You've seen our work. It takes a lot of details and lots of care to make good wine. But at the end of the road, you get a wonderful reward. That's to you.
Salute!